this video, we will introduce how to create variables of data frames in R programming. So when you have read files to create a data frame, the next in data management, you may want to create new variables for this data frame. So the basic form is new variable on the left side of this assign symbol, then on the right side is an expression. And this expression usually includes the existent variables in data frame or with arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. And some symbols for arithmetic operators like this for exponentiation, and double percent symbol used for modulus, which is the remainder of integer division. So for example, 10 modulus 3 is 1. And if we add division sign here, so this means integer division. So 10 integer divided by 3 is 3. And in this example, for example, if we want to create a new variable called total grade and another new variable called mean grade to the existent data frame grade, then we can use the form grade $total grade is grade math plus grade physics and plus grade chemistry. So the sum of these three scores will be the total grade, and this is a new variable, a new column in data frame grade. And similarly, we can create another new variable called mean grade using the sum of these three grades divided by 3. And the method 2 is an alternative method that we can use the transform function in R. So for the transform function, inside the function, we can write the grade data frame. Then next, just write the total grade. Does not need a grade $sign. So this look like much simpler. The total grade equals math plus physics plus chemistry. And the mean grade equals math plus physics plus chemistry divided by 3. So the new data frame will have 2 new columns. So the result will be the same as for the method 1. So next, we will show how to perform these operations in RStudio. So first we read a CSV file from the working directory and set the working directory using setwd. Then read this CSV file and with the variable type defined. So this data frame called grade has 20 observations for students with the student's ID, full name, race, gender, and mathematics, physics, and chemistry scores, which we will use in this video. So if we show this data frame structure using str grade, you can see there are 20 observations of 10 variables. The next can create a new variable called total grade with the sum of these 3 scores. So grade $total grade equals grade math plus grade physics plus grade chemistry. So we show grade again. Now the last column, total grade, is the new variable we have just created. Similarly, you can create mean grade using the sum of these 3 divided by 3. And we show grade data frame again. Now, one more variable has been added, called mean grade, in the 12th variable. If we show the information using str function. So now their data frame grade is of 20 observations with 12 variables. And the last 2 variables, total grade, mean grade, are just we have created. So we can use alternative way using transform function. So grade equals transform the grade with the total grade equals math plus physics plus chemistry, and mean grade equals sum of math, physics, chemistry divided by 3. So the new one, the grade has been assigned with new value. We show again this grade. The same, their total grade, mean grade created, 12 variables with 20 observations. If you want to access the R source files, you can go to this link on GitHub. And most of the videos will have source files separated by different sections on this link. And I hope it will help you to implement rprogramming easily. Thanks for watching.